In this quick guide, let me show you how you can change the audio track in VLC on Android. So let's get started. Subscribe if you're new and we can get into it. So I have the VLC player installed and I have a couple of videos in here, right? And I can tap on one of them. And as you can see, when I tap on the pause button and play with the controls, and at the bottom, in the bottom left corner, we have the subtitles icon, which seemingly has nothing to do with audio, but it is all in there. So when you click on it like this, you have the ability to not only change the subtitles, but also change the audio track, only assuming it is available, right? So you can see that I can disable it or choose track 1, which is English. As I say, if you had multiple of them, you would have the ability to switch between them. In one of my videos, I talked about a way to add them using this application right here. And using this, I actually managed to create a new or add a new audio track into this file. So let me show you what it would look like if I open it through the VLC player like this. So in the bottom left corner, you can see that I not only have the track 1, but also the track 2, which I manually added. So yeah, you have the ability to add more if you have them available, and that's how you can switch between them. Keep in mind that you can also play around with the audio delay. So for the different tracks, it might be a relevant setting, but yeah, I personally keep it at 0 milliseconds because I think that is the best option, at least for most cases. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to explain how it all works. So if you have some additional questions about this, leave them below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later.